Hey everyone, I'm Chef Janet. I know for some of you, cooking is super intimidating, but once you understand the basics of flavor like salty, sweet, bitter, sour, umami, spicy, and how to put these together to balance each other, I swear you can make your own food taste great. Today, I'm going to talk about bitter. When I say bitter, you might not come running, but some of the bitter foods we love are chocolate, coffee, beer, olives. These are all bitter foods, but most of them we don't eat as is. They're balanced by something else. Chocolate is almost always balanced with sugar, sometimes with milk. Bittersweet chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, milk chocolate, all balanced with sugar that tames that bitterness and makes it crave-worthy. Sometimes you'll even have salted chocolate. Salt, sweet, bitter, even more amazing. Coffee, some of you coffee diehards love your coffee black. Others like it with milk, cream, sugar, all things that tame that bitterness. Citrus peel, usually you just rip it off and throw it away, right? But orange marmalade has chunks of bitter orange peel in a sweet jam that makes it yummy. Olives. Olives straight off the tree can be a little bit bitter, but they almost always come in a salt brine, and the salt also balances bitter. So this is how you balance bitter flavors, with sweet, with salt. If it's a savory recipe, clearly you'll go a little bit easier on the sweet and add a little bit of salt. Sweet recipes, of course, you're gonna add more sweet, whether it's honey, agave, sugar, fruit juice, whatever sweet ingredient you're using, you'll go heavier on that, but still add salt, because that's three flavors together. That's how food tastes great, when you combine flavors. I don't necessarily like to tell you exactly how much is right, because everybody's taste buds are different. So start by adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of sweet, and taste it. Keep adding until your taste buds say that it tastes great. I hope you enjoyed this cooking tip. I'll see you next time.